Today we are going to start a new lesson which belongs to our web page designing DBA track. In the DBA we are going to understand about database administration. Before starting this part, I just like to give you the introduction, what does the database mean and what it is, how we are going to use it, where they are going to be used, and all those things part we are going to understand. In our starting part, we are having this getting started session in which we have to understand about what are the terminologies which are related to our database designing part. Second, we will understand about the Access features, because this is the base part of our database designing track. Access 2007, this is the latest version which we are going to use. Create a database from the scratch, so we will understand how we are going to create a database and what is the basic features of that. After that, we are going to start with the templates part and all these terminologies with the security features. But before coming to all the presentations, I'll just like to dictate the basic terminologies. Regarding to the previous part, I'm going to recap our previous lesson. We have come across the web-based designing part. As you have seen in the website, whatever the websites we are creating, certain times we are having the forms, as we all have created. In all those forms, we are having some data to be filled into that. After sending the data to the server, we are storing the data at a server place. But what is the software which we are going to use for storing the data at the server point? Okay, so we are going to understand this point with the combination of web page design plus DBA. For today's topic, we are having Access 2007. But getting into that, I just like to give you the definition of database. Any idea from your side? What do you think about the database? Any idea, whatever you know.
So here's contact details of type or so.
Very good. Any more ideas from your side? Okay. Items in the PC, or we can say it's a kind of the collection part. Am I right? Any ideas? Okay. Let us come across to the meaning of the database. The database is the collection of the data. Okay. But how we are going to collect the data into that? The minute point which is coming up here is to create the table. And there cannot be a single table. Let's say for example, I am working in a company. Let's say suppose I am working in Aptech here, and in that part I am working as a trainer. My designation is working as a trainer. So all those information will be stored in one database. If at a certain point I want to describe myself as my personal information, then I have to create another table which will explain about my own information. Let's say for example, where I am living, what is my mobile number, what is my home phone number, what is my permanent address. All these are what? It's my personal information. If I talk about my company's information, what is my designation? Okay, when I joined this company, all these information will be considered as my company level information. So what I can consider, a database can have the multiple tables. It can have 1, 2, 3 or multiple tables, and all these tables are interrelated with each other. How is that? Because I am the same person. If I will give my information as a personal information, and if I will store my information as a company level information, person will be same. So all these information are interrelated with each other. So what is the definition coming out for a database is interrelated table collection. So the database definition for the smallest point is coming up. It is a collection of the tables which are interrelated with each other. Is it okay? You agree with me? Fine. Now, as I have given you the